Greetings, and thank you for sharing your time with me by watching this video. Black History Month is a time of deep reflection and it is a time of unapologetic celebration. As a family engagement influencer, former Ellis School parent of 7 years, experienced teacher, school and district level administrator, professor of multicultural education, and mother and only parent of a rising brown girl gymnast, I would like to share some words to inspire you. In doing so, my hope is that you will become more encouraged to engage with your child's educators and school leaders at a deeper level. I would like to set the stage for my conversation with you by sharing a definition that I developed for family engagement. More than being involved in your child's education at home and at school, and more than participating in events at their school, family engagement is so much more. It refers to the mutual dedication, mutual cooperation, and mutual support that educators, parents, and other caregivers share as students are being educated. Family engagement is about the two-way partnership that must prevail between parents, teachers, and school leaders. As we celebrate Black History Month, I would like to encourage you to also celebrate the 5 C's of your child's education. The 5 C's are choice, communication, collaboration, confidence, and community. The first C is choice. Commemorate the choice you have made for the education of your children. The decision you make as parents about the type of school that you enroll your children in is connected to your family values and your family goals. Some of the very specific expectations you have in your child's school include safety, a high level of academic rigor resulting from a challenging curriculum, and a learning environment free of disruptions caused by poorly behaved students. These are some of the basic values that many adhere to when choosing the school that you consider best for your children. The second C is communication. Honor the communication that is at your disposal within your child's school. As a mother or father, you hold the key to making sure it remains mutual. Don't expect all of the communication to be from the school. Instead, reciprocate and initiate communications, especially if you need clarity or have concerns. Communicate courageously and persistently if it is what you need to do to ensure that your child's educational needs are being met in a school that is both loving and supportive. The third C is collaboration. Remember the role that collaboration plays in the education of your children. There is power in unity, and work together with your child's educators to support common goals that you share for them. Don't expect your school to assume the full responsibility to educate your child. Do your part to continue extending their educational experiences even if they attend a prestigious school. Also, if there are areas of expertise that you possess, especially as it relates to race or any other area of cultural competence, that you will extend that capacity of teachers, that is, that you will extend to the capacity of teachers, offer your support and partner with your educators. The fourth C is confidence. As an engaged parent, you must uphold confidence with self-assurance. This is related to maintaining positive determination that ensures that positive relationships are fostered with your child's educators. Confidence equates to empowerment in knowing that you have the sustained right to remain an active member of your child's educational team. Confidence is not related to assuming a posture of comfort and a high level of pride because of the type of school your child attends. We cannot be so consumed with our children being in an exclusive school that we overlook or remain blind to any concern that may exist. Nor can we conclude that problems involving our children and their educational program should be ignored because a special opportunity was extended to our children to enroll in the school that concludes that you must adhere to a code of silence. As a parent, you must remain empowered to be a change agent, and you must speak up when your voice is required. The fifth C is community. Memorialize the sense of community that must remain your guiding light as parents. No school environment is perfect. Any area of improvement that is required becomes impossible to achieve with one voice. However, when members of a community remain active participants, concerns that exist with the school are more apt to become resolved. Here are 2 points to remember about active community membership. Power resides in unity, and community amplifies your presence. As Black parents, we cannot remain silent because our children receive their education in the environment that they do. We must endeavor to work together to ensure that neither you nor your child's voice, presence, and identity are neither oppressed, suppressed, nor erased. When there are areas where enhancements, corrections, and advancements must take place, persevere and work together with others, like you, who may at times feel marginalized or underrepresented. In conclusion, as we celebrate the authentic meaning of Black History Month based on what is authentic to us as Black parents, I hope that my words inspired you to remain engaged in your child's education and with your child's educators and your child's school leaders within your school community. Thank you for watching.